Okay, since I couldn't find a video on YouTube about a condenser only, um, you have to deal with me today. So this is a condenser. This is actually one that we removed from the purple Kenworth a couple years ago. You can see it's got some damage at the bottom of it and up towards the middle. Typical condenser. One of the things we have to remember about a condenser is it has to have airflow through it. And if you don't have airflow through it, I don't know if you can see through there, but there is a cardboard box behind it, so this one would have fairly decent airflow. Job of the condenser is over here on the side of your connections. We are bringing in high pressure gas from the compressor, and this is a heat exchanger, and also we get change of state in the condenser. It will be changed from a high pressure gas to a high pressure liquid. So this is also the place that the refrigerant gives up heat. When we come through the evaporator, we pick up heat from in the cab of the piece of equipment, truck, whatever it happens to be, and we bring it out to this point, and this is where that, once again, the change of state happens because we give up temperature. And this is where we release the temperature to the atmosphere, and then it goes back into the system, and I guess it doesn't leave the system, but the heat leaves the system. The refrigerant continues on over then to the receiver dryer. So there are two types of condensers, if you will. I refer to this one as a tube type, even though it is a flat tube. This is very common. We also have another one that I refer to as a ribbon style, where it's a much thicker. You can see this one isn't real thick. It's maybe 3/4 inch thick. There are some that are probably 1.5 inches wide, and I refer to those as a ribbon style. And neither one of these styles are very user-friendly as far as cleaning them, and we'll talk about that when we get into troubleshooting and compressor failures and stuff. So this is the condenser. This is the part that goes out in the front of the vehicle, or maybe out somewhere where we can blow a fan through it or something like that on a piece of equipment. So thank you. Until next time.